A lot of you guys reach out to me about purchasing an Airbnb that you can use personally and also rent out when you're not using it to offset some of the ownership costs. Today I'm going to take you through a few things you need to know if you're buying an Airbnb property in Whistler. Whistler's a hugely popular destination for visitors year-round, and the demand for Airbnb or other nightly rental properties is high now that we're post-COVID. However, this also means that the competition is fierce. Make sure you research the market and understand the demand for rental properties in Whistler. Look at the occupancy rates, average rental prices, and the number of properties available in various Whistler locations. This is going to help you determine whether it's a good investment and how much you can expect to earn from your investment. A service such as AirDNA can be super helpful when researching your possible rental income. Before you purchase an Airbnb property in Whistler, you need to be aware of the regulations and bylaws that apply to short-term rentals here. You can't just nightly rent your property anywhere in Whistler. You need to know the areas of Whistler that are zoned for nightly rentals. More on that in the video up to the right. The Resort Municipality of Whistler has specific rules that govern the use of vacation rental properties. For example, you'll need to obtain a business license, register your property with the municipality, and pay Tourism Whistler fees. Failure to comply with these regulations can result in extensive fines or legal action, so it's essential to do your homework and ensure that you're following the rules. Managing an Airbnb property can be extremely time-consuming, especially if you're not located in Whistler. You almost have to treat it as a second job. You need to consider whether you're really up to the task of handling the management of your Airbnb property on your own. Consider hiring a property manager if you feel it's going to be too much for you. Yes, you'll have to cough up a management fee each month, but you'll ensure that your property is well maintained and cleaned between guests and your investments hassle-free. Click on up to the right for a great deep dive interview we did with Christine Barbacki of Zenaway Whistler Vacation Rentals for more insight. So, if you're thinking of buying an Airbnb property in Whistler, do your research, understand the regulations and bylaws, and come up with a plan for management and maintenance. With the right approach, an Airbnb property in Whistler can be a profitable investment and a great way for you to enjoy Whistler along with some fantastic rental income on the side. Now, if you want to keep watching more great videos, I've got a playlist right here. If you never want to miss another, just subscribe.